Hey, welcome everybody. This is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive of a 1967 Chevy Camaro. What a stunning car. The paint job looks great. Make sure you click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications so you get updated anytime Jay or myself do a video and you don't miss out on the car of your dreams. These virtual test drives are for you to get a sense of what it sounds like going down the road, starting up, how it looks like in the sun. For all additional information about the engine, trans, everything from inside out, go on over to volocars.com. We have about 100 or so extra pictures in there of undercarriage and everything, the detailed write-up, pricing, and then go on and give sales a call. Really is a beautiful car. Door pops open with ease. The interior looks great. Door just shuts right closed. Real clean dash. I'm not seeing any tears, nicks. Steering wheel's in great condition. Seats, the back seat. Everything looks really well maintained in here. Let's start it up. Fuel gauge, speedometer, has the tachometer here. Extra gauges for your engine temp, oil, battery. Radio does not kick on. Fan does. I work in the shop, so this is gonna be the first time myself or anyone gets to take this out on the road. So you and I both get to experience if it has any hiccups or anything we need to take care of before it goes to its new owner. I'm gonna start out just getting a feel for it, and then later on in the video I'll open it up a little. Sounds great, the clutch feels good, it's easy to shift. Drive straight. The steering's real responsive. You turn a little, it turns. Very little, if any, play. Bumpy road, see what we hear. Just a minimal amount of rattle. Here's some. Overall, sounds tight, feels tight. Just the seatbelt not being hooked up all the way there. Sounds so nice. Picks up real nice. great power. Well, I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. Like I said, click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications, then head on over to volocars.com and give our sales a call. As always, I appreciate you.